Hello friends, in this video, I will discuss how to make liquid organic fertilizer for vegetables and mango trees. Liquid organic fertilizer is a fermented solution of organic materials, vegetable waste, animal manure, that is very effective in fertilizing plants and soil. Liquid organic fertilizer increases micro and macronutrient content, accelerates growth, vegetative, generative, loosens the soil, and is safe for long-term use. It is generally applied with a 1:10 dilution, 1 liter of liquid fertilizer plus 10 liters of water. Onion skins are very beneficial for plants because they are rich in nutrients such as potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and iron. This waste can be used as a liquid organic fertilizer to enrich the soil, a root stimulant, a botanical pest repellent, caterpillars, aphids, and as an organic mulch to maintain moisture. How to apply to plants. Dilute dosage. Dissolve 20 to 30 milliliters of onion peel extract in 1 liter of water. Watering. Pour into the growing medium at the base of the roots, about 1 glass of water per plant. Potato peel soaking water can be used as a liquid organic fertilizer for plants, including mango trees. Potato peels are rich in potassium and phosphorus, essential for plant growth. Using soaked potato peels for mango plants. Source of nitrogen and nutrients. Potato peels can be used as a source of nitrogen and nutrients for plants. How to use. The potato peel soaking water can be poured directly onto the growing medium or around the roots of the mango tree. Flower booster. A mixture of potato peels, baking soda, and rice water is also often used as a flower stimulant, which may be helpful in stimulating mango flowering. It's important to use a fresh solution to avoid unpleasant odors from the process. While more commonly used for houseplants or small potted plants, this potato peel soak is safe and beneficial as an organic nutrient supplement for mango trees. Benefits of liquid organic fertilizer from potato peels. Improves soil fertility and structure. The nutrients in potato peels improve the soil's ability to retain air and encourage the activity of beneficial soil microorganisms. Complete source of nutrition. Contains high levels of potassium for root and fruit development, and nitrogen for leaf growth. Accelerates plant growth. This solution supports healthier, greener, and more robust plant growth. Environmentally friendly and economical. Turns kitchen waste into free fertilizer while reducing organic waste. Natural pest control. Helps plants grow healthier, making them more resistant to pests and diseases. The main benefits of shallots for chili plants: organic, plant-based, pesticide. The compounds acetogenin, flavonoids, and volatile sulfur compounds act as a repellent against pests such as aphids, thrips, and mites, and inhibit the growth of fungi that cause stem rot. Liquid organic fertilizer. Onion peels are rich in macro and micronutrients, such as potassium, K, phosphorus, P, magnesium, Mg, and iron, Fe, which are easily absorbed by plants for optimal growth. Plant growth regulator, PGR, contains natural auxin and gibberellin hormones that stimulate rooting, accelerate vegetative growth, trigger flowering, and prevent flower and fruit drop. Increase plant resistance. Helps chili plants overcome environmental stress, drought or extreme temperatures, and increases chlorophyll production. The use of liquid organic fertilizer, made from potato peelings and onion peels, has been proven to significantly accelerate plant growth. The combination provides essential micro and macronutrients, as well as natural plant growth regulators, PGRs, that stimulate root, stem, and leaf growth. Environmentally friendly and economical. Turns kitchen waste into free fertilizer while reducing organic waste. Natural pest control. Helps plants grow healthier, making them more resistant to pests and diseases. Greener, wider leaves. Plants show an increase in leaf number, wider leaf size, and a fresher green color, indicating proper photosynthesis. Stronger stem growth. Plant stems grow sturdier, fresher, and less prone to falling over. Healthy stems also indicate increased plant height. Flowers and fruit don't fall off easily, fruiting quickly. Plants are better able to retain their flowers and fruit, increasing yields and product quality. Disease resistance. Plants treated with POC are generally stronger and less susceptible to pests or disease. New shoot growth. The emergence of new shoots indicates that the plant is actively growing and receiving adequate nutrition.